itigil ang Pilipinas. Papanindigan yan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa harap ng agresibong pagbanta ng China. Hindi kami papatinag dyan. Sinabi yan sa harap ng 40 matataas na opisyal ng Defense Departments and Ministries. Dito pinahiya ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang buong Chinese official. Imagination nyo lang ang 9-dash line claim ng China. Di katulad ng West Philippine Sea na inaward pa at inaangkla sa International Base Rules Order.
So the lines that we draw in our waters are not derived from just our imagination, but from international law. In this solid footing and through our clear moral ascendancy, we find the strength to do whatever it takes to protect our sovereign home, to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter.
Buong mundo ang nakatutok kay PBBM. Si Pangulong Marcos lang naman ang nag-iisang Pangulo ng Pilipinas na nagsalita sa Shangri-La Dialogue Defense. Dito walang katakot-takot na kinumbina ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang animoy iligal, pwersahan, mapangaras at agresibong galaw ng China Coast Guard na walang habas na lumalabag sa karapatan ng Pilipinas.
The life-giving waters of the West Philippine Sea flow in the blood of every Filipino. We cannot allow anyone to detach it from the totality of the maritime domain that renders our nation whole.
Binigyan din rin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na pag may nasawid dyan na sundalo o mga Pilipino, magkakagulo talaga tayo, China.
A Filipino citizen is killed by a willful act. That is, I think, very, very close to what we define as an act of war. And therefore, we will respond accordingly. Is that a red line? Almost certainly it's going to be a red line.
Kinikilabutan na ang China. Paunti-unti raw kasing bumubuo si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at US ng NATO sa Asia. Nababahala raw ang China na baka gumawa tayo ng gulo. Pero ba't matatakot ang China? Ang main goal nga ng US ay free at open Indo-Pacific region. Kung walang agresibo at mapanglamang sa kapwang China, edi wala tayong problema. So bakit kayo nababahala ng sobra China?
My question is the United States planning to build a NATO line system in the Asia-Pacific region?
As to whether or not we're trying to create a NATO in the Indo-Pacific, countries of like-minded countries with similar values and a common vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific are working together to achieve that vision. And we've strengthened relationships with our allies and partners, and we see other countries strengthening their relationships with each other in the region. This is goodness. But it's because they have a common vision and common values. And we will continue to do those kind of things going forward.
Ito ba yung weak leader na sinasabi ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte? Nilalabanan ang paghari-harian ng China. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa pagmamamukha sa China na kahit maliit na bansa ang Pilipinas, di kami papatalo sa inyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.